In this video, I'll walk you through how to link your bank account to your Fidelity Cash Management Account. If you haven't opened your CMA yet, make sure to check out my previous video. The link is in the description. I've just created my username and password, so I'll click Next. Now I'll choose Link a Bank Account and click Continue. If you already opened your cash management account and want to get back to this screen, just hover over Accounts and Trade at the top, click Transfers, and then select Link a Bank. Fidelity will send a security code to your phone. Enter that code here. Next, you'll see two options: securely log into your bank or enter my bank information on my own. I'm choosing the first option, so I'll click Continue and then Next again. You'll be asked to enter your cell phone number to receive a verification code. Type in the code you receive and click Verify. Now, you'll see a list of bank logos. Find your bank and click on it. If it's not listed, you can search for it in the search bar. My bank is Wells Fargo, so I'll click on that and then click Next. Here, you'll enter your bank's username and password to log in. I'm logging into Wells Fargo. Once again, I'll select my cell phone to receive a verification code and enter. Now I'll choose the account I want to link from Wells Fargo and click Continue. After reviewing the terms, click Connect. You'll be asked again to select the specific account you want to connect. I'm choosing my checking account and clicking Save. My Wells Fargo account is now connected. I'll click Exit to Portfolio Summary to return to the main account screen. Next, click the Add Funds button. Select the bank account you just linked. Then choose the account where the money will be deposited. That's your Fidelity Cash Management Account. I'm doing a one-time transfer, but you can choose recurring if you prefer. Now enter the amount you want to transfer. I'm transferring $25,500 from my Wells Fargo account, and then I'll click Continue. You'll see a transfer details screen so you can review everything one more time. If it all looks correct, click Submit. After that, click Exit to Portfolio Summary to return to the main page. You should see the transfer amount reflected there. Just keep in mind that the funds may take about a week or more to become fully withdrawable, depending on your bank. Let me share an important tip to avoid long delays. Instead of initiating the transfer from inside Fidelity, you can log into your bank's website and add your Fidelity CMA as an external account. If you start the transfer from your bank, it's usually much faster, often just 2 or 3 business days. And that's it. Your Fidelity Cash Management Account now has money in it. In the next video, I'll show you how to order a checkbook so you can write checks from your CMA. The link is in the description.